Hey my lovelies, how nice of you to join me again. So I'm back here reviewing the Carote 14-piece cookware set. You might want to stay tuned for this one. Watch how I unwrapped everything and put this all together. Now what I love about this set is that it is a granite top, and that means it is non-stick, like non-stick Pro Max. And of course I love the color. This is such a beautiful like cream off-white color, and it's got splashes of like a deep red. I definitely love. I absolutely love that. And even the feel of it, you know, it's lightweight, it's not too heavy, but you can also tell that it's really durable because I've already used them, and I'm going to show you the stuff that I cooked. So I'm loving it so far, to be honest. The Carote manufacturers pride themselves in a product that is easy to clean. You literally just put it like 5 seconds on a surface that is not hot or anything, let it cool down, and it's ready to go. I literally witnessed this, and I'm about to show you how it went down when I was cleaning after cooking. Easy to clean, really easy to clean. So it also came with pan protectors, which is a plus, a big plus, because I really didn't expect them to be, you know, of such a good quality. Just look at that. You put that over and then you can stack them however you want to stack them. Or you can also use this, you know, as maybe like a placemat or something, you know, when it's still hot off the stove, you know, just put it on the side, use this. Really easy to use. Love it. And another thing, I love the fact that you can just easily pour, you know, with these two spouts on this particular pan. There's two nice spouts, and you can definitely pour that out when you're cooking, and it makes it easier because you don't want to have a mess. So that's another thing that I love about that. And the Carote manufacturers pride themselves in the fact that this product is lead-free, PFOAs free, cadmium free, and that means we're cooking with pots that were produced with our health and well-being in mind. And this is definitely a plus for me because I want to make sure that everyone that eats from this pot is healthy. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I don't know, maybe there's another video where I'm going to be reviewing another set of pots, but do stay tuned and there'll be more wonderful informational videos to come. All right then, take care.